Hello, welcome to the first topic in the JSS1 scheme of work. The topic is counting of whole numbers. In this topic, we would learn how to define whole numbers. We would learn to define place value, assign place value to whole numbers, read and write in millions, convert numbers in word form to digits in millions, read and write in billions, convert billions in word form to digits, read and write in trillions, convert trillions in word form to digits. Apply counting of numbers to everyday life and solve further problems on whole numbers. We believe that at the end of this topic, you should be able to perform all that has been itemized in these objectives. Thank you.